What's up, you guys? So I'm gonna do a vlog today. I just quickly made my bed and I'm about to wash my teeth and everything. I want to do some cleaning up, probably some laundry, maybe hit the grocery store later for some dinner stuff. And then I do have these packages that I have to open. It's Monday today, so I want to have a really good leg day session, and I'm gonna get back in the routine of like going consistently and being consistent with my workouts because they've kind of been up and down from the whole moving and everything. So to have some breakfast. Kind of feeling like making French toast, but I've been making that like for like a week now. I think I'll make oatmeal today. I'm going to have my oatmeal here, high protein instant oatmeal by Quaker, and I like the maple brown sugar. I feel like it tastes really good. And then for my protein, I'm kind of feeling like, ooh, this one here. And I'm gonna have a scoop of the banana bread protein. For right now, while I'm making breakfast, I'm gonna have the Kiss My Peach all natural non-stimulant oxy shred, and then with that I will have my creatine just to get that in right away. These are the Bless boosters. I actually have them all back there, but it's kind of a hassle bringing them out constantly, so I had a few here and then I just like restocked this little bag and keep it like up close here. I would use a ring light, but all my ring lights are still at my old place, which I actually have to go back to and clean up by the end of this month. So I've got a lot to do this month. So for this protein bowl, I'm gonna put a bag of the protein, and then I'm gonna put some oat milk to kind of cover it up. I like to put water as well. I don't actually put like a full amount of oat milk. Did I say almond milk or oat milk? Put this in the microwave for 40 seconds. Just gonna mix it again and pop it in there one more time. So it should look something like that. Just stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to cover it so that it can thicken. So we're gonna leave that on the side for a second. I'm gonna actually make my drink for the morning. And this is my go-to morning drink. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add the Bless protein. If you think it looks too thick and not enough liquid, I just will keep adding the almond milk and mixing it. Once the bowl looks somewhat like that, I'm gonna add my toppings. And there we have our breakfast bowl, which is so good. I'm gonna eat this and then I will get back to you guys. So I'm gonna do an unboxing right now. I have some Urban Outfitter products, some Sephora, Necessaire, and then I got this one from my friend's company. I just want to try out a sweater. By the way, I got this candle when I moved in. It's got a pina colada scent to it and it smells so good. It's like making my place smell very like beachy, you know. I think I'm still waiting on one more item from Urban Outfitters because I think that was gonna come like a month later because it's on back order. I'm gonna start with this box here. It's from Necessaire. They wanted me to try out some of their products, so I'm really excited to do so because I've seen their products all over the place. So Necessaire sent the body lotion, the deodorant gel, and the body wash. You guys know me and my pamper routines. Anything to do with like moisturizing, washing, shampoo, body wash, deodorant. I never really go out of my way to really look for a good deodorant. So the fact that they sent me the deodorant gel, oh my God, the packaging, you guys. That is such cute packaging too. I love how minimal it is. It's got a eucalyptus scent. I hope I'm saying that right. And then they also sent the body lotion, fragrance-free body lotion. Fragrance-free is always, always, always key for my moisturizers because eczema like runs in my family, and I'm happy this is fragrance-free because it's not gonna irritate my body. I know that. Honestly, you guys, I kind of want to change up my body lotion because as you guys know, I've been repeatedly using my Nivea, and I feel like if something works for you, just keep using it. But I would like to try something new, so I'm excited to try out their body lotion. They also sent me the eucalyptus body wash. So some things really irritate my skin when it's too much fragrance, so I'm gonna try this body wash out. I'm just gonna smell very like earthy. I also have this package here. This is one of my friend's brands, the Surge company. I got the sweater, but I guess they sent the beanie as well, so that's really cool. I'm excited for that. Look at the beanie. It says Surge on there. It just has like the little threading detail at the bottom here, which I thought was really cool. Okay, and then I got this sweater in a size large because I wanted it baggy. So this one is called the Surge Black Heavyweight Thermal, and it was only $40, you guys, and the design is really sick. It actually has like a nice texture to it. I got black, but they also have a pink one, which I kind of was like debating on getting. They have a white and a red. Those ones have a little bit of a different detail to it, but the pink and the black are very similar. They just have the word Surge on there. If I could describe the clothing pieces that are on there, it's like very unique streetwear. So if you're looking for something different, something cool, something that will make you stand out, definitely check out the website. So yeah, I'll have everything listed down below, and then their IG as well. Okay, so the next item is actually from JVN Hair, but they shipped by Sephora. So I was looking on their website and reading about their products, and I just could not wait to try. I got 3 different items, but I have 5 in here. This is the JVN Complete Pre-Wash Scalp Oil. You want to put this in before you head in the shower, and I think you leave it in for about 15 minutes for shinier, healthier looking strands. So I'm really excited to use this one. I definitely feel like my hair is needed for an extra little pampering situation because you guys already know, like, I'm huge on all the luxurious healthy hair products and stuff. And then I got their daily volumizing shampoo, which you guys know I'm always looking for volume. I have a very thin, fine hair. I may have a lot of it, but it is still very flat. So I decided to get their Embody Daily Volumizing Shampoo. Honestly, I go through shampoo and conditioner like no tomorrow. So I got 2 of the shampoos here. So the shampoo says it's supposed to help with removing buildup. And then I got 2 of the Daily Volumizing Conditioners. So I'm just excited for this new little regimen. I feel like I have a whole new regimen going on. If you guys are interested in any of the JVN hair products, then I will have everything linked down below. So I have 3 big bags of Urban Outfitter products here. So I picked everything out. The sizes came in small, medium, and then large, extra large. And I was so close, you guys, to getting large, extra large because I like my sweaters baggy. Something just told me to go watch a try on haul and see how these actually fit on people. They are oversized sweaters, but in my head, sometimes companies' oversized sweaters are never like oversized enough. But let me tell you guys, this is oversized. Like, and it's a small, medium. It's got like a distressed neckline here. It's got some distressing on the bottom. It's just kind of like old school, very like vintage, you know? So this is called the Pink Floyd 1977 Tour crew neck sweatshirt in brown. The next item are these pair of beige pants. I was so close to getting a size waist 27, but then I think I was like watching the thing and it said the lady was 27 that was wearing them in the picture, and she looked very small. So I got 28. Hopefully it's like a good size for me. These are called the BDG High Rise Baggy Ivory Pants, and they're kind of like a jean material. I'm 5'3", so I'm pretty short. Really cute, just simple, but I'll try those on for you guys as well. So I also got a puffer jacket. Honestly, I need a black puffer jacket, and I got it in a size small. Okay, this is the jacket here. Oh my god, I love it. It's just a baggy jacket. It goes literally right at my hip. So it's like not a crop, and it's not a long jacket either. So this jacket is called the Isla Funnel Neck Puff in black. And then I also got another distressed kind of like old school baggy tee. This one is a size small medium. This one is called the Def Leopard Double Animal D Green. I might not be reading I actually don't think I'm reading the names properly because there's like a bunch of acronyms on the tag here, but maybe I'll have the names all on the screen here. I've been trying to up my t-shirt collection. I have 2 more t-shirts and 2 more crew necks. So I got this t-shirt here. Actually, I saw a few people have this shirt and honestly I was obsessed. I think I got all the t-shirts in a small medium. Yeah, so this one is a small medium as well. Also distressed, has like some holes in the front. That's the whole style of it, but really cute. I'm excited to try that one on. And then I loved this color when I saw it on the model. So I was like, I definitely have to get this one as well. I think they're like the same shirts, just different kind of style a little bit. This one has more of a distressed look and it's a nice, pretty corally pink. This is the Sublime baggy tee, also in a small medium. And then I did get 2 baggy sweaters. Oh my God, I'm so happy I got a size large, you guys, because this looks really small. This is the Colorado crew neck. I love the color of it. It's like kind of like a lime green. I'm still chilly wherever I go, and I honestly want to be comfy everywhere I go, so I just got that. And then the last item is this NYC Brooklyn sweater. I also got this one in a size large. I'm excited to try these all on. I'm gonna quickly change into a gym fit or some gym shorts or something. So it's like way later in the day. I should have went to the gym, but I didn't even go to the gym and my mom's already off work. So she's already on her way here. But I started to try on the clothes. I got the Surge brand on right now. And yes, I'm wearing this and I think I'm going to skip the gym. I actually might go, I don't even want to say I will, when my mom leaves and do like the Stairmaster or something. I feel like I'm just so disorganized. So I'm trying to get back into a routine. So maybe that's what I will do tomorrow. I do want to wake up tomorrow early. Today I did wake up like really late in the day. So I think I'm gonna head to the grocery store. I hate missing Mondays because I feel like if I miss Monday, I just have the whole week that's like scrambled, but I'm not gonna think like that. Tomorrow is gonna be my Monday. So I'm gonna do my legs tomorrow, have a good workout, and yeah. Okay, I was just about to head out, but my mom just texted me to put on the rice. Rice always takes so long, so I'm gonna quickly clean it and put it in the rice cooker. Okay, I'm ready to go. But I'm like getting super tired and irritated. It also might be because I turned on the heat earlier and then when I got in, it just gave me like such a claustrophobic feeling. All right, you guys, so my mom's here. We're gonna have some chicken stir fry. We were gonna make spaghetti, but we decided last minute to.
Oh, I like this idea.
What? I just quickly dropped my mom downstairs and then we took out some garbage. I'm actually really tired, so I think I'm gonna head in the shower and use some of those products that I got today because I really want to take a shower. And then I'm going to do my dishes, edit my video, and go to bed because your girl is tired. I don't even know why I'm so tired today because I slept in pretty late, but I keep going to bed so late. It's so annoying. I have to stop doing that. in my room now. I'm so tired, but I have to get this video done tonight and then post it for tomorrow morning. I'm gonna close out today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.